Hi, I'm Richard and I'm from Ecdesign, and today I'm going to break down another Ecdesign floor plan and tell you a little bit how we made it, and hopefully you're going to learn some tweaks, some tips, some hints on how to make your floor plans truly amazing. And first of all, before we go on, I'll go into 3D so you can have a quick look at what I've designed, what I've created. So as you see, we'll start over here, and everything I do here is in real time. So no editing, we're just going ahead. And as you can see, we have some cool columns here. We have special lights in the ceiling. We have this wood section on the wall. Cool colors. You see them on the floor and a little bit over here as well. We have the screens on the screen on the TVs and things like that. All right, so we'll go back to Orbit and we'll break this down. So first of all, what you saw was the lights, the green lights. Those are actually standard 3D objects, and these are the ones. And what I've done is the original one is found here, standard, and lighting, and ceiling lights, and we have it on the bottom here, I think. Yeah, right there. And I'll drag it out like that. I just simply clicked on it and I made it the length I wanted, and I'm just going to pretend 15 meters, and I made the light itself, the structure, white, just like that. And then I selected the light source color and I selected green. So that's basically the only thing I did, and then I duplicated at a certain, I think it was 3 meters apart. So that's pretty simple. Then we'll keep on going, and I'll remove that one. And actually, we'll quickly remove all of them. Usually with ceiling lights, when there are 3D models like this, I place them at the end, so they don't interfere with my 3D work when I'm doing the design. Okay, I'm going to move over to custom. So the pillars here are actually a box and a cylinder. So all you do is, when you're in the custom tab, create the box like this, and then you create the cylinder, and you make it the dimension you want, maybe a little bit too big, but just place it like that. And then you select the material, and we'll do just a wallpaper color like that. Boom, like that. That's it. Super simple. And those you duplicate at a certain distance. So for this one, it was pretty simple. I created, and I'll show you how I did it. And we'll remove that one, and we'll remove that one. Then I simply select, this is the custom box right here, and I know I needed to duplicate it 8 meters apart. So I have it already set to 8 meters. And then I just went boom, boom, and they would be placed in place. So that's pretty simple. All right, we'll remove the entire column like that. And for the screens, now we have one hanging in the air there, but it doesn't matter. All you do is select the screen, you select it and then select the screen material and say, yeah, I want all of them to change, and we'll change to this one instead. And you can see how it instantly changed on all the screens. So that's how you can have custom material on your screen. And you can also change the color of the TV itself and things like that. We'll do lights. Here you see the setup for my lights. And when I did it from the start, I made all my default lights green, and I just thought, hey, that looks too much green. So what I've done is I have some lights I made green, and some I just had a yellowish color to it. So here's one that's green. You can see it right there. We'll increase the color a little bit. The next ones for the dumbbell section here, I made them in a color like this one, pretty much. Just a little bit off-white, a little bit yellow into it, like that. And you can see how that looks when I increase. And once again, I've shown you this in my previous video. You can move, change the altitude. And when you lower it, it's pretty cool. If you lower a light, it becomes more like a spotlight. It becomes more focused. Okay, and finally with lights, I placed 2 lights on the outside to mimic sunlight coming in. And that's pretty cool. If you want, you can change the color of that too, maybe a little bit green or like that. And if we're going to 3D, we'll see what that looks like. Right there. Cool effect. Outside, I've shown you that before. If you want to change the sky dome, you simply select a different sky dome, just like that. And it looks pretty cool. Let me see. Oh, yeah. Nope, that was it. That was a simple video. I hope you liked it. Take care.